guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be talking about the Undercover Nike React Element 87. I don't know about you guys, but I've been super hyped about this release ever since I first saw images of them earlier this year during Paris Fashion Week. I think everyone got really excited about them as well because that was the first time they showcased the React Element 87 silhouette and I fell in love with them. But the ones they put into production aren't the same as the ones they showcased on the runway, which is a little bit sad because I know deep down we all want that sail colorway, but that's okay, you know. I managed to get 3 out of the 4 colorways that they dropped. So I have the Vault, Lakeside, and Light Beige Chalk. The only colorway I didn't get is actually the one that I really wanted, and that is the Green Mist. That one's the most neutral out of all of them. Having said that though, out of these 3, the Vault is my favorite. So I won the online raffle on supply.com and I actually have 4 pairs in total. So even though I got 3 colorways, I have duplicates of the Light Beige because yeah, I have 2 pairs of these, which I haven't won. So what happened was I won the Vault colorway first, and then a couple of days later, I received another email saying I've won another pair, and at first I was like, is this a system error or something? But it turns out they did a second round raffle because some people didn't pay for them when they won the first time. And then my other 2 pairs, my boyfriend entered the raffle on Supply and he won them for me, which is really good. But yeah, I heard that Supply had quite a few pairs. So if you guys won the raffle on Supply, let me know in the comments below. These retail for 260 Australian dollars, which I think is pretty fair, and the standard ones go for 230 Australian dollars. I'm actually surprised that the resale value of these isn't as high as I thought they would be. Now, it depends on the colorway you have as well. The one that's worth the most at the moment is the Green Mist one. It's kind of expected because it's the most neutral colorway, and I've checked the resale for that for my size, which is a 6.5, and it's about 450 Australian dollars, which isn't too bad. So if you guys are thinking of getting a pair, now is probably a good time to pick them up because the resale price isn't too high, but it also depends on what size you're looking for. In terms of sizing, I think these fit true to size. So I got mine in the men's US 6.5 or women's US 8, and if you have wide feet, maybe you can go up half a size. If not, you should be fine if you just go true to size. In comparison to the standard Reacts, the silhouette is exactly the same. The colorway is obviously different, and also on the upper, this one has the Undercover stamp on them. And the other thing that's different about them is the insole. With the standard Reacts, it comes with a cork insole, like these. And with the Undercover one, it's just a mesh insole. So for some reason, I feel like the cork one feels a little bit more comfortable on feet. It's a little bit more sturdy, whereas this one is quite flimsy. So I might just switch out this insole and put them into my Undercover ones. And also the Undercover ones all come with a set of spare laces, but they're all the same color, which is like a black and white lace. And speaking of laces, the damn shoelaces on these keeps coming undone every time I wear them. So I've had the same experience with the standard Reacts where they keep coming undone. So the only thing I have to do with these when I wear them, I have to double knot them because for some reason the material that's used to make these are quite slippery, like it doesn't have much grip to them, and that's why they just come out every 5 minutes if I don't double tie them. But other than that, I have no complaints about them. I really love the silhouette of the Reacts 87. I don't know whether it's too soon to say this, but these might be my favorite release of 2018. Yeah. Anyway, if you guys want to see what they look like on feet, this is what they look like. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know in the comments below which is your favorite colorway, and I'm still thinking if I want to get the Green Mist on StockX. So let me know if you guys think I should get a pair. But if you want the raffle, let me know in the comments below as well. And give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed it. And make sure you subscribe to my channel because I upload every Wednesdays and Sundays. So you guys don't want to miss out. But yeah, thank you so much for watching and I'll see you guys really, really soon. Bye!